TCG Anadolu Amphibious assault ship, the most elite aircraft carrier. The Turkish Navy received its largest ship on April 10 in a ceremony attended by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Defense Minister Hulusi Akar and military top brass. The TCG Anadolu Amphibious assault ship is Türkiye's first landing platform pier. Erdogan said the military would deploy heavy helicopters, drones and light attack aircraft from ships. Its fully loaded displacement was 27,436 tons, and it was 231 meters, 758 feet, long, 32 meters wide and 58 meters high. The ship's main purpose is to serve as a platform from which TB3 armed drones and Kizilelma combat UAVs can be launched, and will also assist in military and humanitarian operations around the world. Turkey officially started building its first landing platform pier in 2016 when Erdogan was already talking about plans for the production of aircraft carriers and nuclear-powered ships. He previously also expressed hope that the landing platform dock program would be the first step towards production of the most elite carriers.